Hi guys, this is Apple Watch magnetic charging dock. So I bought this also in 11/11 deals from Lazada. Basically, I bought this because I've already left my Apple Watch charger in my parents' house, so I have to buy another one, and I think this is a good deal since there is a 11/11 deal. I purchased this for 238 ringgit after minus 20 ringgit voucher deal from 11/11 from Lazada. So basically it is 258 ringgit without any voucher. So the original price for this device is 319 ringgit. I'm quite surprised because there is no warranty in their website. But I tried to look over the booklet and there is a Apple 1-year limited warranty. So basically this is what you have in the box. There is a cable, a lightning cable, and also the dock itself, and also the booklet and documentation. There's a lightning port here in the dock, magnetic dock, so you need to plug it in. The dock itself have a rubbery finish on the top, and also there's a fabric finish at the bottom. So it have a very good weight to put on the table. After a few days, I'm testing this magnetic dock. So I think it is just similar what I have before. The original comes with the Apple Watch when you bought it. And basically it's charging quite fast. So there you go guys, this is the Apple Watch magnetic charging dock. So see you in next video. Bye.